Hey there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we honestly are making the very best chocolate cake that I've ever eaten. One that's so easy to make. And the best part, it's flourless. So you don't have to worry about gluten. It's dairy-free and it's delicious. So let me show you how to make it. First of all, we take 4 ounces of unsweetened organic chocolate. It just goes in a double boiler like that. And then I add 8 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. This is going to melt down really quickly, and then it's going to go in our food processor. In the food processor, now you can make this in a food processor or you don't have to. You can just whip it. I just like the way that it whips so effectively in the food processor that's what I'm using. So I have 3 eggs in here in the food processor. I'm going to put in a little bit of vanilla, and then this is raw cacao. It just makes it a little bit darker, a little bit deeper. Again, the purest form of chocolate, and it's blended up. And then about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So hardly any natural sugar, and it's really, really delicious. Then I'm going to take my double boiler pan full of the chocolate and the coconut, and I'm going to pour it in. There we go. That's all there is to it. Simple, easy ingredients. And then I'm going to just make sure we get all this chocolate, because of course, you know that I'm a chocolate lover, and I don't want to miss any morsel of chocolate. So I'm throwing it all in. I'm just happy it's organic and it's unsweetened. We can choose how much sweetener we want in our cake, right? So let's blend this up and see how it goes. You can see that this is all blended now. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so you can make this in a springform pan. It's really easy. And I decided to show you the other way you can make it, because a lot of people don't have springform pans, so you don't need any special equipment. I just use a Pyrex pan, and I've cut long strands of parchment paper that hang out over my pan, and then I can just pull it out at the end, and really easy peasy. The last piece of parchment paper, I lined this with coconut oil. So I'm going to throw that in the pan, and then we're going to put the batter over it. So I'm just going to get it nested in here. Wow, this is so thick, so delicious. You can see it's all in the pan. I just give it a little shake to get any air bubbles out. And you can see I've made some boo-boos on the sides. So I'm going to take those off so they don't burn. And I'm going to put it in the oven at a 350-degree temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just watch it, make sure it doesn't burn. It's going to rise, and it's going to be so delicious. It's a small little cake, and it's just enough to get your taste buds really, really moving and feeling yummy. And speaking of feeling yummy, so if you're in a crappy mood and you want to get happy, just think of a moment in your life that made you super happy, and sit with it for about 30 seconds. Just breathe into your body. Let that happy feeling fill every single crevice, every single cell, and feel that happiness and walk with it throughout the day. And you can do this over and over and over and over again, and you'll be amazed how it brings you up. Your energy just rises. So try it on, and then come back and have some cake with me. Hey, the chocolate cake is done. I wish you were here, and I wish I could share it with you, but chocolate cake. So I want to show you why we put the parchment paper in the Pyrex pan, and we had it over the sides, because when I pulled it out, it was uber easy to pull this out. And I had these on the bottom just in case, kind of as a little protection. I could have pulled it out with these on the sides like a little X, but instead I just pulled it all out like this, and it came out of the Pyrex so quick. So easy. And if you look, no mess, hardly any cleanup. I cut off the sides and we'll eat those for snacks later. And here is the chocolate cake, all done, delicious. And I'll cut it in small pieces. I'll put a little dollop of the great whipping cream, that coconut whipping cream. You'll find it in the cookbook. And it's just yours to enjoy. So enjoy this recipe and enjoy the cookbook. And if you want more, hey, click on over to catherinechess.com. On my website, I have recipes and all kinds of ways to get you healthy and well. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.